Mio Mao, Mio Mao, la 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 la. Mio Mao, Mio Mao, la 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 la
Mio and Meow were busy playing on the old tree trunk when they saw something rather interesting. The tree looked as if it had leaves in lots of different colours. What do you think they are? Asked Mew. Well, go and see, said Meow. Go on, off you go. The leaves waved at her and disappeared. Mew thought it was a very good game. Then they screeched at her, and Mew didn't like that at all.
Wow.
Those leaves can talk. They screeched at me. Go and see for yourself.
No.
They can talk, thought Meow. How peculiar. But the leaves turned out to be feathers on a very screechy bird. Let's watch that bird from over here, Mew. The bird preened its feathers and did tricks on the branch. It had a colourful friend too. Look at the tricks they can do. Oh, that's clever. Shall we go and say hello? The birds were parrots, and they knew how to copy each other's voices. Could you sound like us if you wanted to? And the funny parrots copied them exactly.
la.